RDP tool, which is AnyDesk. Just type AnyDesk, click on download now. Click on download. It's just a 5 MB small utility. Once AnyDesk download, click run as administrator. Here also you can see this address. Once you connected to internet, you can share this your address with anyone. After that you will get a prompt message from there that someone is trying to access your system. You have to accept it. Once you accept, they can access your system. Or you want to access someone else's system, then you have to ask them to provide this address. And once they provide this address to you, you have to enter this address over here and click on connect. Once you send request to them, they will get a prompt message that this user is trying to access your system. He has to accept this invitation. Once he accepts this invitation, you will get system. So in this way you can connect AnyDesk. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to Techno Analyst-RD. Thank you.
Please subscribe to Techno Analyst.